Hello guys, in this video we will see how to reset password for MySQL user on Linux operating system. So open terminal, first connect to MySQL server, MySQL-u root -p, provide the password of root account. First verify list of users, select user from MySQL.user. See, I have these users, so let me create user mic identified by provide password. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the users. See, we have mic user. So if you want to reset the password for this user, just give Ctrl-L, alter user mic, give the identified by provide new password. That is, you can give single or double quotes. Hit enter. See, we have successfully set. You can also set the password by going to dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. I don't have MySQL Workbench, but I have dbeaver. Open dbeaver. Click on this plus button. Then select MySQL. Click on next. Then provide database. Okay, I have MySQL database, give MySQL, okay, root, then click on test connection connected successfully, click on finish. Now expand this connection. See, here we have the users. See, if you want to change for root account, you have to give like root @localhost, but if you want to change for this David or Mike user, just you have to give %, symbol, or without percentile also fine. Okay, if you want to reset for this David user, right click, view the user. Here we have to provide the new password. Confirm the same. Then click on, see here, click on save. See, this is the command. Okay, then click on execute. Okay, we haven't received error, means we have successfully set the password. Okay, this is the way to change the password for MySQL user by using MySQL command line client and dbeaver. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.